I burped. First burp ever on the street. Almost died too. Almost died for that burp. Excuse me. Every time I burp, my dad is like, disgusting pig. I'm so. I had to burp. Give it a 10 out of 10. I used to compete with the boys in my lunch for who could do the best burp. I was like, I can do a good burp. Let me warm up. They'd be like, no, you can't. And I'd do it. They'd be like, whoa. It's been louder, more powerful. I don't do like super loud burps. It's like I'm pretty girly, but when guys do that thing where they're like, well, you're a girl, so you can't do this, it immediately makes me like competitive. And I'm like, fuck you, I can do that if I want to. Like, it makes me mad. The quote will go on my statue. Oh no! I feel like I have more memorable quotes than that.